Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. Hope you have celebrated the Independence Day with full zeal and zest. And now we are going to start exercise 4.1. And exercise 4.1, we have completed question number 1, part A, B, part 1, 2, and part 3, and 4 was your homework. So today we are going to start question number 2. Before starting the question, first we recap the topic, that is linear equations and inequality. Linear equations or the simple equations are the algebraic expressions. I will write down the question number 2 and explain that what is equation and how can we identify the equations. So here you can see that question number 2, that is 3 into x plus 3 bracket close equals to 14 plus x. So whenever we have algebraic expression and equality, whenever we have algebraic expression having equality, these are called the equations. So the identification is we have the equality sign for the in equations. Whenever we see the equation, we will see that their identity is equality sign. Now come to and solve the question that how to solve the linear equation. First identify, this is an algebraic expression 3 into x plus 3, and this is the sign of equality, that is the identity of an equation, that it's an equation because it contains this equality sign. Then 14, it's a constant, plus x, it's a variable. So it's a complete algebraic expression carrying an equality sign. So what is equation? I will repeat it again, that a linear equation is an equation having the algebraic expression and equality sign and having the powers. You can see here the power is 1. Here the x having the power 1, here the x having the power 1. So these are called the linear equations. Now second step is how to solve these linear equations. Whenever we are solving the linear equations, we have to keep the variables on the one side of equality and constant on the other side of equality, and we change this procedure according to the question. In start we see that 3x plus 20, we have only one variable and two constant, so we move this constant to other side of equality and this plus 20 become minus 20, and then we solve the question. But here you can see that first we have to take the product of this side, then we are going to solve other side. So when we are going to take the product of it, 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 3 is 9, then 14 plus x. Now we can see that this is the variable and this is the constant. This is the constant and this is the variable. We have to keep the variables on one side of equality and constant on other side of equality. So for here we will keep the 3x, keep here, and this plus 9 will go to the other side of equality and it will be 14 plus x minus 9. Whenever the number or the variable move to other side of equality, we will change their sign. So 3x equals to 14 minus 9 plus x is here, so we have to move this x to the other side of equality because as per rule we have to keep the variables on one side and constant or the numbers on the other side. So 3x, this x having the positive sign, it will come on the other side and get the negative sign, and then 14 minus 9 will be remain as it is. Now we have to solve 3x minus x. When we remove 1x from the 3x, we get 2x, which is equals to 14 minus 9. When we subtract 9 from 14, we get the answer and we write down the answer, it's a 5. So here we can see now it's 2x and it's 5 on the other side of equality, but we need to find the value of this x. For this purpose, this 2x is going to, here it's multiplying on this side, other side of equality it's go and divide over here. So the value of x is here, x is equals to 5 by 2. Hence we solved the first question. Now we are moving to question number 3. Question number 2 is done. Now we are doing to question number 3. Question number 3 is 3 into 2x plus 5, which is equals to 25 plus x. Again, first we see the equation. It's 3 into 2x plus 5. Again, there's a product sign, so we have to take a product of this numbers and variables, and then we solve other part of equality. So when we take the product, 3 into 2 is 6x plus 3 into 5 is 15. Then 25 plus x. Now second part is that second step of this question is variables will be before the equality sign, and the numbers or the constant will go to the other side of the equality. So 6x as it is, but this 15 will go to the other side of equality as it's a number. 25 plus x plus 15. It's a plus 15, so here it will be, sign will change and it will be minus 15. Then 6x, here it's plus 5, other side of equality it will be minus 5. It's plus x and here it will be minus x, and then 25 minus 15. Now both the variables are one side of equality and the constants are on other side of equality. 6x minus x we get 5x, and 25 minus 5 we get here 10. So we have to find this value x. So x is equals to 10. Here 5 is going to multiply with this x. Other side of equality it's going to divide. 5 1 is 5 and 5 2 is 10, and x equals to 2. I think you understand the question number 2 and question number 3, and the next two questions, that is question number 4 and 5. These are your homework. Note it down. Question number 4 and question number 5. Both are your homework. You have to do the practice at least twice and then inbox me your written work.